All right, so I'm going to go over some of the homework questions. This one is finding distance between 2 points. Okay. So given the point 3, 3 and negative 4, negative 3, I'm going to use the distance formula. All right, so the distance formula was, so d equals 2 square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So I'm gonna do it using the formula, and then I'll do it just kind of like drawing it and then doing it that way. All right, so we got x1 and x2. So let's plug those in. So we're gonna get negative 4 minus 3 squared plus now y2, right, and y1. So negative 3 minus 3 squared. So that is going to be negative 4 minus 3 is going to be negative 7 squared plus negative 6 squared. Now keep in mind that we are squaring, so this is going to end up being something like this. Regardless if it's negative, it's still going to become a positive, so it's like you're doing 7 squared plus 6 squared. That is the square root of 49 plus 36. Now looking at our answers, which one does it look like it's going to be? It doesn't look like it's going to be the square root of 13. So 49 plus 36, 9 plus 6 is 15, so it ends in a 5, sorry, 5. Carry the 1, makes 7 plus 4 plus 3 is 7, plus carry the 1 is the square root of 85. So the answer is B. Now another way to look at it is if you were to just kind of draw it, more or less, 3, 3, so 3 this way, 3 to the right, 3 up. And then negative 4, negative 3, negative 4 this way, and then negative 3, so 3 down, somewhere here. So we're going to use our run and our rise. How far is the run? Well, since this is negative 4, that means 4 units this way. This part right here is 4 units. Then it's 3 more, right? That gives me a total of 7. So that's where that 7 comes from. And then our rise, this right here, and again, we're doing this based on the right triangle. Our rise is going to be, since this is a negative 3, it's 3 down, so 3 this way. And then this is a positive 3, so 3 up. So that makes it a total of 6. And that's how we got this 6 from. So using the Pythagorean theorem, then we're going to say, and we know the two legs are 7 and 6. We're basically, this is our distance. This is what we're looking for right here, which is our hypotenuse of a right triangle. So that's when we come and we're going to jump in on this step right here during the Pythagorean theorem. We're going to take each number, square it, add them up, and then take the square root. Now the square root of 85, it's not a nice number. That's why it ends up being letter B there. They didn't actually figure it out as a decimal, and that's fine. So you just make sure you're looking for both. If you don't see it as that, as square root of 85, then you might see it as 9 point something, right? In this case, the square root of 85 is about let me see real quick. about 9.2. And again, that's approximately. It's more or less. Because 9 times 9 is 81, so 9.2 would be the answer for that.